Good morning. For Lesson 7, we are going to interpret the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve problems using units of 6 and 7. Let's take a look at number 1. It says match the words to the correct equation. A number times 6 equals 30. So let's write out what the words say. A number, we'll call it n, times 6 equals 30. So which leaf matches what I wrote down? That would be the second one. Next, 7 times a number equals 42. Which leaf matches that one? That would be the fourth leaf. Let's take a look at number 3. It says model each problem with a drawing. Then write an equation using a letter to represent the unknown and solve for the unknown. Look at letter B. It says Henry spends 24 minutes practicing 6 different basketball drills. He spends the same amount of time on each drill. How much time does Henry spend on each drill? So it says to model with a drawing. So I'm just going to draw a tape diagram. The first part of my problem tells me that he spends 24 minutes total. He has 6 different basketball drills. So I'm going to divide my tape diagram into 6 parts. It says that he spends the same amount of time on each drill, but we're not sure how much time that is. So the equation would be 24, that's my total, and I'm going to divide it by 6 equals, we'll say n. So go ahead and solve this one. If you're not sure what times 6 is going to give you 24, write your 6's down. Then solve and put your answer as a statement. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So my 6's are 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, times 3 would be 18, times 4 would be 24. So n is equal to 4. So that means Henry spends 4 minutes on each drill. Let's take a look at letter D. Ginny measures 6 milliliters of water into each beaker. She pours a total of 54 milliliters. How many beakers does Ginny use? So first I need to draw a tape diagram. It says that she measures 6 milliliters of water into each beaker. The total that she pours is 54 milliliters. They want to know how many beakers that she uses. So I'm not sure how many pieces of tape I'm going to need in my big tape diagram. So essentially what I would have to do mathematically is divide 54 divided by 6 equals, we'll use the letter B for beakers. Go ahead and solve this one on your own. Write your 6's if you're not sure how many times by 6 will give you 54. Then write your answer as a statement. Pause the video while you work and replay when you're ready. So 6 times 1 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 3 is 18, times 4 is 24, times 5 is 30, times 6 is 36, times 7 is 42, times 8 is 48. Hey, that rhymes. Times 9 is 54. So the number of beakers that she uses is 9. That's how many times I counted by 6 to get to 54. So my statement will say, Ginny uses 9 beakers. Your assignment is to finish problem set number 1 and to complete number 3A and number 3C. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. You may put your problem set in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Next, grab an exit ticket, make sure your name is on it, and complete that on your own. Put it in the turn-in tray when you are finished. See you next time.